Virtual Beings News Summary, August 28, 2025. The entertainment field shows virtual performers attaining mainstream reach. VTuber Suisei Hoshimachi's Forbes Japan 30 Under 30 cover signals media validation of avatar-mediated stardom, while Korea's new virtual idol group IXIA debuts with the digital single Hide and Find, entering the competitive music market as a fully synthetic act. These cases demonstrate virtual beings functioning as front-of-stage talent rather than back-end tools, with scheduled releases, interviews, and audience development indistinguishable from human acts in format though distinct in production. Digital Fashion Week 2025 integrates avatar platforms and crypto-native assets in public showcases. Brilliantcrypto's digital gemstones are created and worn by attendees both in the metaverse and on Ready Player Me avatars, underscoring portable, avatar-bound fashion items that traverse virtual and physical contexts in real time. The event's programming also emphasizes creators and technical leadership, with participation by Jana Delamarter of Meta Reality Labs, indicating pipelines between platform R&D and fashion creators, while keeping the core use case anchored in avatar-first wearables. A set of enterprise-facing tools operationalizes avatar creation and deployment. Google extends Google Vids with AI avatars and image-to-video features to streamline narrated explainers and visual assets. Alibaba's updated video generation model, including WAN 2.2S2V, turns single portraits into expressive, film-quality talking avatars, reducing production time for synthetic presenters. JoggAI's Avatarx positions a commercial model for avatar generation and creative automation, and Qualified introduces Piper, a digital human SDR positioned to deliver face-to-face sales and marketing interactions across the funnel. Hospital Intake demonstrates a pragmatic clinical deployment. Fujitsu and Nvidia's system uses an avatar to guide patients through reception and medical questionnaires, embedding a virtual agent at the service front door to standardize triage and data capture. Social media is becoming a primary venue for everyday virtual companionship. Meta, including Instagram, is reported to be enabling AI avatar chatbots of living and deceased people, and has introduced virtual pets as a persistent, gamified companion feature, while sector commentary documents that companions now span text, voice, avatars, and even holograms with users forming durable bonds. Consolidating these items in one place avoids duplication across fashion or ethics while reflecting the platform-centric deployment model. For large broadcasts, virtual beings manifest as collective audience constructs. PubNub and DAZN coordinated what they describe as the world's largest virtual fan experience for the FIFA Club World Cup 2025 broadcast, illustrating a synchronized, real-time virtual crowd layered onto live sports distribution for interactive engagement. Academic work underscores human responses to realism in virtual humans. The University of Hamburg reports that uncanny virtual humans can trigger immune responses, with stimuli drawn from Microsoft's Rocketbox avatar library, reinforcing that visual style and fidelity affect not only perception but measurable physiological reactions, a consideration for avatar design in public-facing applications. Yoshihiro Kanamori presented an image-based digital human in an Asia Graphics webinar on YouTube, focusing on advanced visualization techniques for creating lifelike characters. Another YouTube example showcased infinite digital human high-quality prompt-based motion control, developed through runninghub.ai, emphasizing motion control for synthetic characters. Additional media coverage on YouTube included a segment titled AI Made This Anime, which highlighted the use of digital humans in animated productions. A separate YouTube video, AI Avatars Just Took Your Job, Virtual Humans in China, discussed the rise of AI-powered virtual humans in China's entertainment and service industries, where they increasingly replace human workers with cost-efficient, always-available synthetic counterparts. Meanwhile, an AI-generated virtual human demonstration titled Virtual Human Handstand circulated as part of fitness and outdoor digital showcases. Meta was reported by Changsha to have acquired WaveForms to improve the realism and responsiveness of AI-powered avatars and virtual assistants for metaverse applications, reflecting corporate investment in strengthening virtual human technologies. Google launched AI avatars through its Google Vids consumer version, as reported on Hacker News, expanding avatar applications into mainstream creative and communication platforms. Separately, Esamumdani publicized their development of a digital human capable of real-time interactive dialogue, voice cloning, and avatar generation via a web UI interface, representing a case study in applied digital human engineering. Epic Games also released MetaHuman for Houdini, enabling creators to animate MetaHuman characters with Inside FX Houdini, consolidating professional workflows for digital human production. Upwork listings demonstrated the growing demand for avatar and digital human creation. One project focused on expanding cartoon avatar collections for children's applications, while another sought engineers to build a generative AI pipeline for avatars and automated media production, showing how freelancers and startups contribute to scalable virtual being production. HAP introduced AI medical companions through more than 300i, developed in collaboration with, which aggregates around 300,000 licensed physicians. These virtual doctor doubles are positioned to provide deeper, always available interactions that extend triage, guidance, and follow-up, showing how medically grounded virtual beings can scale expert knowledge across large patient populations while maintaining a link to verified clinicians. Galaxy Corporation launched a virtual AI artist audition in which candidates compete as virtual characters to debut a new idol, formalizing a talent pipeline that separates human embodiment from performance persona. Bilibili advanced creator tooling with its Index Anisora animation model, and Index 2 voice model to generate animated video and support VTuber-style virtual upmaster emotional companionship content, indicating platform-level investment in synthetic performers and always-on character channels. Alibaba consolidated its position with two complementary offerings: the open-source WAN 2.2s2v, speech-to-video, model for digital human video generation from a portrait and audio input, and the Tongyi app's persona customization that enables users to create bespoke AI partners or clone self-avatars for branded assistants and spokes-characters. Google expanded its vids editor with AI virtual avatars and a consumer version, embedding synthetic presenters into mainstream video creation. Described a cross-domain intelligent virtual human platform transitioning from VR pipelines toward agentic AI, pointing to full-stack character creation and autonomy for business use. Showcased consumer-grade digital doubles, VIA for portrait-quality avatar generation that blends likeness with stylization, highlighting retail marketing and tourism-adjacent content creation scenarios. OmniHuman 1.5 complements these commercial stacks with a research pathway that models emotion and intention so enterprise avatars exhibit persona-consistent behavior rather than mere audio-driven motion. Yangming Jiaotong University deployed a virtual host to run an online graduation ceremony, demonstrating event-scale orchestration by a virtual MC in higher education. Changsha launched the Cultural Heritage Guide, a digital human that greets visitors and narrates sites such as Wenchang Pavilion, pairing digital archiving plus activation to preserve and present local history. The Summer Palace operates an AI digital human as a smart customer service presence for visitors, reflecting adoption in large tourist venues. In Delhi NCR, Ganesh festival organizers staged Ganesha in a digital avatar form, signaling the assimilation of synthetic representations into religious festivities and public culture, while keeping the performative focus on recognizable, context-specific imagery, rather than generic characters. Lovers reframes dating as engagement with AI-generated characters rather than human partners, with reported traction among middle-aged men including some married users, marking a consumer shift toward persistent synthetic companions. Alibaba's Tongyi persona customization similarly supports individualized AI partners and self-cloned avatars for daily interaction. And Bilibili's virtual upmaster tooling enables ongoing parasocial relationships with virtual performers, together illustrating how companionship, fandom, and identity expression are converging around configurable virtual beings. Beijing Internet Court's effective judgment affirming copyright protection for virtual digital human images clarifies legal attributes and permissible behaviors, reducing IP uncertainty for studios and platforms operating digital humans. This ruling strengthens the institutional environment for cultural deployments like Changsha's. Venue service agents such as the Summer Palace's digital human, entertainment initiatives at Galaxy Corporation and Bilibili, and enterprise stacks from Alibaba, Google, and by defining enforceable rights around character likeness and derived content. Jiangxi University of Finance and Economics, in collaboration with Newsoft Technology, launched the Mini Finance Large Model, which introduces a 4-layer application architecture consisting of digital humans, the Mini Intelligent Agent, and the Mini Space. This framework supports education in statistics and management disciplines by embedding digital humans and agents into teaching scenarios, enabling interactive virtual assistants and enhancing AI-driven finance education models. Jiangxi University of Finance and Economics built the VRP-MUSEUM virtual exhibition hall using high-definition images and multidimensional video captured at Beilizhou Academy and Yangming Academy. The hall features digital human tour guides and our interactions, creating an immersive cultural experience. In Wuhan, Hubei, the digital human Chuchu was introduced as a virtual tour guide in the metaverse, while in Lulong, Hebei, The IXIA Backbone Pavilion used AI digital humans to simulate historical time travel experiences for students. In Shanxi, the digital human Jin Yi served as a cultural promotion ambassador, performing Jin opera excerpts and interacting with audiences at the Cultural Expo, and the Hongxing Yang digital human at the 8th Route Army Cultural Digital Experience Hall recreated wartime dialogues with visitors to bring history to life. The company Digital Human collaborated with Shandong University, Xuanwu Hospital of Capital Medical University, and Nanjing University of Posts and Telecommunications to integrate computer science with medicine, achieving significant progress in AI medical applications. These efforts position digital humans at the core of medical AI development, contributing to medical education, research, and clinical support, highlighting their growing role in advancing healthcare technologies. In Jiuquan, Gansu, the local public security bureau deployed AI digital human anchors during the National Online Law Promotion Tour to strengthen anti-fraud campaigns. The AI digital humans acted as legal knowledge broadcasters, working alongside drones to form a smart defense system that combined legal publicity with precision policing. This positioned digital humans as virtual legal educators and public safety communicators. At the 4th Global Digital Trade Expo in Hangzhou, the digital entertainment section featured AI-powered holographic digital human interaction pods, offering immersive experiences. Zhejiang Netsun Business Treasure Company Limited integrated digital human live streaming into bulk commodity e-commerce, combining product selection and shared live studios with virtual anchors. In Guizhou, the Big Data Expo showcased digital humans and large models alongside embodied intelligence performances, giving attendees close-range interactive experiences. Shanxi's Cultural Industry Expo presented a 3D hyper-realistic digital human performing Hua Mulan, paired with AI animation production of the Reunion Order and cultural large models such as Guangong, expanding digital human applications into traditional culture and digital art. In Xining, Qinghai, a talent recruitment fair featured digital human livestream job promotion and an AI job-seeking assistant. Digital human anchors introduced job opportunities, while the AI assistant supported candidates in navigating the hiring process, demonstrating digital humans' role in employment services and HR innovation. At the 2025 China International Fair for Trade and Services, Beijing will introduce a digital human Beijing Solution Promotion Officer to showcase and market the capital's innovative policies and achievements. In Hong Kong, the Asian Influencer Creative Competition highlighted the use of digital humans to support companies in going global, leveraging virtual beings for cross-border promotion and brand communication. In Datong, Shanxi, a 3D hyper-realistic digital human portraying Hua Mulan also served as a cultural marketing figure, merging theatrical performance with digital technology for cultural promotion. WAN S2V, Audio-Driven Cinematic Video Generation introduces an audio-driven video generation model designed to move beyond simple talking head applications into complex film and television scenarios. It combines text-guided global motion control with audio-driven fine-grained local motion to produce consistent and realistic digital human animations across multiple clips. The system addresses long video generation challenges by employing optimized motion frame token reduction, ensuring stability and detail across sequences. Trained on a large diverse dataset consisting of both public and internally collected video material, WAN S2V enables the creation of cinematic quality virtual human performances for entertainment media, without sacrificing coherence or fidelity. OmniHuman 1.5, Instilling an Active Mind in Avatars via Cognitive Simulation presents a framework for enhancing avatars by embedding cognitive principles of System 1 and System 2 thinking from cognitive science into video-based characters. Existing avatar systems largely simulate reactive, instinctive System 1 behavior, but OmniHuman 1.5 integrates deliberative reasoning through MLLM-based agents that generate contextual guidance. This guidance is fused with reactive signals via a multimodal diffusion transformer, MITS, supplemented by a symmetric audio branch and a pseudo-last frame strategy to resolve modal conflicts. The result is avatars capable of both semantically coherent and naturalistic motion, demonstrated across complex multiperson interactions and even non-human cases. Benchmarks and user studies show improved contextual naturalness and plausibility, marking a step toward avatars with more human-like cognitive depth. PanoHair, Detailed Hair Strand Synthesis on Volumetric Heads introduces a generative framework for synthesizing detailed 3D hair strands on volumetric digital human heads. Building on knowledge distilled from PanoHead, it models heads as sign distance fields, SDFs, while also predicting semantic labels and 3D orientations, which allows for precise hair orientation and realistic strand growth. To ensure multi-view consistency, PanoHair employs a novel orientation projection loss, mitigating ambiguity from single-view 2D projections. It also integrates a fast hair volume extraction technique using Boolean operations on implicit representations, enabling efficient definition of strand growth spaces. This significantly improves the realism and efficiency of digital human rendering, supporting more lifelike avatars and characters in immersive applications. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon.